Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about my topic, that is the legal requirements for establishment and the maintenance of drug store. First, the minimum qualification. A person who wishes to start a retail store, drug store should be a registered pharmacist in State Pharmacy Council or PCI. Second, along with the registered pharmacist, he should fulfill the requirement given in the Pharmacy Act, such as the person should attain at least 18 years of age. Second, he should be a resident of the state or should be carrying out his business profession, the pharmacy in the state, should possess a degree or diploma in pharmacy or other any approved qualification from institution recognized by PCI. A person who wishes to start a wholesale drug store may not be registered pharmacist but must have the passed at least matriculation examination and must possess at least 4 years of experience in handling of drugs. Minimum space. There are the minimum space in retail 150 square meter, wholesale drugstore are the 200 square meter. Store arrangement. The area should be equipped with the proper storage facility for preserving the property of drugs and for storage thermolabized substances such as the vaccine, syringe, diabetic. Application and the forms required. An application to drug inspector in the form of the request form number 19 or renewal of license to sell the stock, exhibit or distribute the drug. License for the retail is a form 20 for drug other than those specified in the schedule C, C1 and the for drugs specified in the schedule C, C1 for the drug specified X for the form 20F. License for wholesale 20B, Form 21B for the drug specified in Schedule C and C1, Form 20G for the drug specified in Schedule X. Other document required the self-attested copy of registration certificate of pharmacist issued by State Pharmacy Council PCI, self-attested copy of the proof of passing the diploma degree course in pharmacy from institute recognized by PCI, an attested copy of the matriculation certificate as a proof of date of birth, proof of the ownership if the applicant is owner of the premises or if the premises are on the rent. Then a make of the rent receipt is attached with the applications form, NOC from the local area authority, map layout of the store. In today's class, I discuss about the following legal requirement for the establishment and the maintenance of the drug.